We are going to demonstrate Autonix BUP30-P, which is an U-shaped photoelectric sensor. So this is a through beam type sensor with a single channel, and the sensing distance is 30 mm, and also the photo beam over here is infrared. It is powered by 24 volts DC, and it has light on and dark on mode that can be set by the control wire. This is an PNP open collector model. It also comes up with an NPN type model. So we have a setup over here showing the sensor BUP30-P. Power has been turned on, hence the power LED is on. There is also an output LED which is right now off. So the sensor comes with 4 wires, of which there is a brown color wire that we can supply to 24 volts. There is blue wire which we can connect it to 0 volts. Black is the signal wire. Since this sensor is having PNP output, we have connected the load between the sensor output wire and 0 volts. There is also an control wire which is of white color. So the control wire decides whether the sensor will be operated in dark on mode or whether it will be operated in light on mode. Right now, the white color wire is connected to 0 volts, hence the sensor is right now operating in dark on mode. So we can see here the sensor is having these arrows on this U-shaped levers. So we can see this is the emitter part and this is the receiver. So emitter is emitting and receiver is receiving. Light on and dark on concept is based on the receiver. So if receiver receives the light and output is off, that means this is a dark on mode. So when the receiver will become dark, it will give the output. Right now the light is falling on the receiver. If I induce an object in between, we can see receiver failed to receive the light, receiver became dark, and we got the output. So this is the dark on mode. I'll change the wiring now to the white color wire. I'll change it to positive so that the sensor can be configured for light on mode, and we'll see the light on mode demonstration. So in the sensor wiring, we can see I have connected the white color wire to 24 volts now. As we can see, the output load directly turned on, even though the sensor has not been interrupted. You can see the output is directly on in the light on mode. So light is falling on the receiver and output is on. But if I block the light by some object, okay, we can see the receiver became dark and now the output is not turning on. So this is our U-shaped, a single channel photoelectric sensor